Hi, this is Tina from OSnapLet'sEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make lamb stir fry. First, gather and prepare your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of lamb, sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, sliced, 2 stalks of scallions, cut to about 1 inch, 3 ounces of green pepper, cut about 1/2 inch pieces, and optionally, also red chili peppers. In a large bowl or Ziploc bag, combine lamb, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch, and mix well. If you are about to cook it, let it marinate at the very least 15 to 30 minutes. If you are making this ahead of time, cover and refrigerate, and then remove from the fridge about 30 minutes before cooking. In a large non-stick cooking pan, heat cooking oil over medium-high heat, and when the oil is hot, add sliced ginger, lamb, and optionally, red chili peppers, and then stir fry until mostly browned. Add green peppers to the cooking pan, and stir fry for about 3 minutes or until peppers have softened. Next, add scallions to the cooking pan, and stir fry everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes or until lamb is cooked thoroughly. And that's it. Remove from heat and serve. I recommend serving over white rice. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.